English learners. Welcome to this powerful lesson that will change the way you learn English forever. If you are learning alone, if you do not have a speaking partner, if you feel nervous, shy, or confused when speaking English, then today's video is for you. In this complete guide, I will teach you how to learn English fast without any partner. No teacher, no friend, no partner, only you and the right method. This lesson is beginner-friendly, TTS-friendly, and designed to guide you step by step. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with other English learners so you can help someone who is struggling just like you. Now, let's begin your journey to confident English. Most people believe that English can only be learned with a speaking partner, but this is not true. You can learn English alone, and you can improve even faster without depending on anyone. Why? Because you control your time. You control your learning speed. You can practice any moment of the day. You can repeat lessons as many times as you want. You will not feel shy or scared. You will build confidence slowly and naturally. English learning starts with input. Input means everything you hear and everything you read. The more input you get, the more your brain learns automatically. Imagine a baby. A baby listens to thousands of sentences before speaking even one word. You can do the same. This is why you do not need a partner. Your brain can learn patterns, sentences, pronunciation, and vocabulary on its own. You just need the right method. And today, I will give you the complete system. If you follow these 4 pillars every day, your English will grow automatically. Pillar 1. Listen more than you speak. Listening trains the brain. When your brain hears correct English every day, it starts copying the structure naturally. Listening is like feeding your brain. Your brain will use that food when you speak. Pillar 2. Shadowing. Shadowing means speaking together with the audio, like an echo. This builds pronunciation and fluency. Pillar 3. Self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your room. Describe your day. Describe your feelings. This is the best practice in the world. Pillar 4. Learn in chunks, not single words. A chunk is a group of words used together. For example, I'm looking for. I'm trying to say that. Can you help me with? Chunks help you speak naturally. Master these 4 pillars and you will learn faster without anyone's help. Now, let's build your daily learning system. This system is designed for beginners and can be done with any level. Step 1. Start with easy listening, 15 minutes. Choose English content that is slow, clear, simple, easy to understand. Good options: English stories, English listening practice videos, English podcast for beginners, TTS English explanations. While listening, do not try to understand every word. Just listen. Let your brain relax. Let the language flow into your brain. This step is important because the more you listen, the more you learn automatically. Step 2. Repeat and shadow the audio. 15 minutes. Now choose one small audio. maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute. Play one sentence. Pause. Repeat. Again. Again. Now try shadowing. Shadowing means you speak over the audio at the same time, like an echo. This will improve your fluency, improve your accent, improve your pronunciation, give you confidence. This is how actors learn accents. This is how speakers learn fast. And you can learn the same way. Step 3. Self-talk practice. Talk to yourself in English. This is the most powerful method. You can say what you see, what you are doing, what you want, what you plan, what you feel. Example, I am sitting in my room. There is a table in front of me. I am watching a learning video. I want to improve my English. I'm learning step by step. This builds fluency even without a partner. You can speak in your mind or speak out loud. Both are good. Step 4. Learn 10 to 15 useful sentences daily. Learning single words is slow. Learning full sentences is fast. Here are simple sentences you can learn. Can you repeat that? What do you mean? I don't understand. I'm not sure. I think it's a good idea. I'm learning English. I'm practicing every day. These sentences will help you speak faster because they are commonly used. Whenever you learn English, collect sentences. Make a notebook. Read your sentences daily. Within a month, you will know more than 300 sentences. Within 6 months, you will speak naturally. Step 5. Record your voice. 10 minutes. Use your phone. Record yourself. Speak for 2 minutes. Then listen. This will help you understand your mistakes, your pronunciation, your speed. Do this daily. Day 1 will be bad. Day 10 will be better. Day 30 will be amazing. Day 100 will be unbelievable. Recording is extremely powerful. You do not need grammar books. You do not need complex rules. You only need natural grammar. Learn grammar like a child. Learn grammar through examples, not rules. For example, I go, I went, I have gone. See patterns, copy patterns, use patterns. Do this. Hear a sentence. Repeat it. Use it in self-talk. Your brain will learn automatically. This is natural grammar. Vocabulary grows from listening, reading, repeating sentences, and seeing words in context. Do not memorize meaningless wordless. They do not stay in your memory. Instead, learn through stories. Learn through examples. Learn through sentences. Example, instead of learning the word beautiful, learn the sentence. This place is beautiful. She looks beautiful today. The weather is beautiful. Your brain connects the word with real meaning. This is the fast method. Follow this routine every day. 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes shadowing, 20 minutes self-talk, 10 minutes sentence learning, 10 minutes voice recording. Total is 70 minutes. If 70 minutes is too much, do 30 minutes. If 30 minutes is too much, Do 15 minutes. If 15 minutes is too much, do 10 minutes. But do something every day. Consistency is more important than long hours. Here are easy dialogues to help you practice speaking alone. Dialogue 1. Morning routine. Good morning. I just woke up. I feel fresh and ready. I will start my day with learning English. I want to improve my speaking. I will listen, repeat, and practice. I believe in myself. Today, I have many things to do. I will study. I will learn something new. I will practice English for at least 20 minutes. Step by step, I will become fluent. I can learn English. I can speak clearly. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am ready to grow. I will keep going. I want to speak English better. I am practicing every day. I am learning step by step. I believe I can improve. I am not scared to make mistakes. I enjoy learning English. English is fun. I understand more every day. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. I can try again. I will not stop. I want to be fluent. I want to speak confidently. I want to talk to people easily. I am getting better. I am improving. Practice makes me strong. I listen carefully. I repeat the sentences. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. You only need 3 things: your ears, your mouth, your phone. Here is the method. Step 1. Listen to a simple sentence. Step 2. Repeat the sentence. Step 3. Record your voice. Step 4. Compare. Ask these questions. Do I sound similar? Is my speed okay? Are the words clear? Repeat until you sound better. Lack of confidence is the biggest problem for solo learners. Here is how to fix it. Start small conversations with yourself. Speak slowly and clearly. Accept mistakes, they are normal. Remember, nobody is judging you. Celebrate small progress. Confidence grows with practice, not perfection. You can learn English. You do not need a partner. You do not need to wait. You do not need to fear mistakes. Start today. Practice every day. Follow this system. If you want more TTS-friendly scripts, if you want daily lessons, if you want powerful English content, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, I am ready. Your English journey begins now.